Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this 4x4 frame as well as this box from Dollar Tree. I start by removing the inserts from the frame and setting those aside. I paint the box and frame entirely with plaster colored chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. And I did remove the pins from the frame. I then take the box and I'm tracing the bottom of that out on scrapbook paper that I got from Hobby Lobby. And since I measured the outside of the box, it won't fit completely inside because of that edge. So I just trim up a little bit around all four sides. I put some Mod Podge in the bottom of that box and spread that out. And to make sure that the paper will be completely stuck down, I apply Mod Podge all around the edge of all four sides. I place that in the box, smooth it out with my hands, and then dry it with my heat tool. Next, I'm taking this 3x3 stencil I got from Amazon. I place that on the glass from the frame and then place the frame down just to make sure that I have my spacing right. I then add masking tape all around the stencil. That's to keep it into place as well as protecting the rest of the glass from the paint. I use a stencil brush and plaster color chalk paint. I put very minimal paint on there and just dab on the stencil. And since there's such minimal paint, I do have to do several coats, just letting that dry in between. I remove the tape and then dry that. Next, I'm taking super glue and I'm placing that on the back where the glass will sit. And then I just set that aside for a minute just to let that glue set. Next, I'm taking a dryer sheet and rubbing that on the back of the glass. That'll help prevent the faux snow that I'm placing in there from sticking to that glass. I place a decent amount of the faux snow in the box, and then on the edge of the box, I'm adding that super glue again and placing down the frame. And I forgot to fill in the gaps left by the stencil, so I just went in with a small paintbrush and filled those in. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.